have a good paddle board, so I'm just gonna grab a board that I think would be the best fit, and we're gonna cut the back and make it into a paddle board hopefully. So stick along. Got this board that might be some more boards here. Where's this? Get kind of loud. Wider over here in an angle too, where it might help catch. The final, what I'm gonna go for. I'm just going with the flow. That's me. The paddleboard or what? What? Oh my god, I'm so excited. Fixed it and straightened it out. Try to write some powder. I made a new powder board. Hopefully it works. Busy. So yeah, I'm just gonna walk it up. It's really not gonna be that bad. Smells, feels great. If you're a beginner, get your butt out here.
After you get paradise,
Madness.
So have you been on this lift?
Yeah, it's been a while, but yeah.
Okay, it's so slow.
Uh-oh. Moment of truth is coming. I don't know what I want to do first. Wonder if I should go in between the trees in here, or it'd be easier to come out if it's not working out. I'm going between the trees. It'd be a good place to try it out, and if it doesn't work, I can get out and get my other board. I made a paddle board yesterday. I mean, I must see, look, I cut the back.
oh shit! How is it?
I don't know, it's gonna be my first run, bro. I hope it's a little small, but
You might be able to
it's a rocker. It's a rocker board.
Oh,
and I cut the back, so I think I'm
that
curious.
looks like a lot of fun, dude.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it out, man. I'm excited. Hopefully it works out.
I bet it will.
Yeah,
hell yeah, dude.
All right, brother.
Oh, yeah.
All right, let's do first powder on this stove. I feel like it's gonna work. Turns really good, tell you what. Oh, some blocks still, so you gotta be careful. Back at it with my boy Micah. I got my little paddle board. I thought we were going to Marsh Park. Yeah? Hold up. All right,
Nice.
let's do it.
Let's do it.
I'll follow you.
All right, so we probably want to, if we stay on parking, got it. Open up again. Oh, I didn't know you were right there. Sorry.
Yeah, this board's running decent.
Good.
It's not slow, at least. I waxed it. Yeah, it's like the first time I'm going faster than you.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get back in here.
This is working out good, guys. First time going faster than my car. Oh! Oh! Turns quick. I love that. Oh! What's in here? Oh shit. Oh, I know where I'm at now. Oh, I know where we're at.
That was a heck of a transition.
Right? Woo! Oh, hell yeah.
You went right up your sparrow tail, dude.
This is the one I couldn't get last time. But yeah, there's one right here. Oh! Fuck.
Nice.
Are you by yourself? Oh,
Yeah.
hey, Carmichael. What's
Oh,
it
that looks sweet, dude.
It's my first one.
Nice.